Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I know you missed me. It's your girl N to the K to the E to the M. Today I'm not about to come bore you guys with so many talks. I ain't got time for that. I'm just gonna show you how I achieved the smoky look. But first of all, let's rush to the intro.
It's raining, but I don't need an umbrella. Standing in your rain is where I wanna be.
I'm going to moisturize. So guys, I know you're feeling my intro. You know I'm the baddest. You know the baddest producer, the content producer, the baddest YouTuber. And today I'm not about to waste your time, as I said earlier, because time is expensive. So I'm just going to be doing my makeup, like basically the smoky look. How I achieved it is going to be seen in this video. So if you want to see it, you better don't touch that dial, you know. First of all, if you haven't even subscribed, wait, what are you waiting for? Please like, subscribe, share this video. You know what I'm saying? Let's not waste our time now. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed my last video. I was actually so calm, cool and collected in that video. I'm sure you're like, oh, she's so quiet. That is not my personality. I am actually such a goofy person. Now I'm just simply going to be goofy on your screen, putting this concealer on my face. I don't even know what I'm doing, but I'm sure it's going to turn out well. With SACHA butter, that's the SACHA butter I'm going to use to set my face, and that eyeshadow. I don't know, what am I doing now though? I really cannot be a makeup artist because OMG, no. Anyways, I have to dance a little bit, you know, to get in the mood of makeup. Now I'm just going to prime my eyes. Anyways, I'm talking too much. Please just have fun with the video. Please enjoy the music.
We receive your rain, pour it. Look, I'm on it, pour it. We receive your rain, pour it. Look, I'm on it, pour it. Yeah.
Pour your rain from above, pour your spirit and love. All we need is a touch, all we need is a flood. Lost in the world, but your blood saved me. Lord, let your rain fall and fill us up until we can't take no more. Pour until our cup runs over. We're waiting on the flood like Noah. Let your rain come through. Revival gonna be bigger than the O2. Doesn't really matter what I'm going through. I know that you'll send another breakthrough. Glory to G.O.D. because he saved me. And I'ma shine bright cause he made me. So take away our pain and shame and pour your rain, just come and
Pour it up. Look, I'm on it, pour it up.
come on and pour it up. Come on and pour it up.
Pour it up. Look, I'm on it, pour it up. Yeah. We receive your rain. We receive your rain.
Come on and
Pour it. Look, I'm on it, pour it.
pour it out. Pour
We
it
receive
out.
your rain. Pour it. Look, I'm on it, pour it. We receive your rain. Look, I'm on it, pour it.
OMG, my hair, I can't even deal. What is this?
So guys, look how glamorous, beautiful, iconic I look. Even if I packed all the clip in my village on my head.
Hey, wait, who told you nobody cares? What about the duvet cover you're wearing as your top? You are so weird, girl. You are so weird.
Hey, mind your business. Who do you think you are?
They're going to throw me out of my house because I'm screaming so much and it's in the middle of the night. I'm making this voiceover. If you like this video though, make sure to leave a thumbs up down below and make sure to share, like and subscribe to this video. Until next time, it's your girl again, N to the K to the E to the M. Bye for now.